In this video, I will show you how to create a website in Bitrix24 sites. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the left part is your menu list. From the menu, find Sites and Stores and click on it. You will then be redirected to a new board. Here, click on the Create button. You will then be redirected to the Bitrix24 market. Choose the template you want to use, for example, Camping Retreat Company 24. On the top right, click on Create Site. It will automatically start creating your website. Once done, click on the Open Site button. A pop-up will appear. Just review and accept the terms and conditions. And that's how to create a website in Bitrix24 sites.